Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and then you can choose a video you want to remove watermark from. And I'm going to select video from my wait, I'm going to choose the video guys from my InShot folder. For example, this one, I'm going to remove a watermark from this video. Wait, I'm going to change the canvas. All right, and I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. If we want to remove watermark, we need to duplicate our video. We can click on our video and then select the duplicate option, and we're going to make it as an overlay. So we can click on switch, or you can simply overlay your video with the same video. If you want to overlay, you just need to go to the PIP right here and then import the same video. Okay, and then make sure the second video is aligned with the first video, and we're going to apply mask. We can scroll all the way to the right around here until we find mask option and choose the shape of the mesh you want to apply. I'm going to choose the circle mask, for example, and we can adjust the size of the mask and also the position. We're going to use this mask to cover watermark on our video, and you can choose another part of your video to cover the watermark. I'm just going to choose this part because this part will be suitable to cover it. I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we can drag the mask to cover or to remove the watermark from our video. Okay, like this. And then to make it more natural guys, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. You can select filter and then adjust, and you can adjust the lightness and then the contrast, or it's up to you to make it more natural. Okay, I think it looks better, and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove a watermark from our video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.